Servant leadership. Building strong teams through biblical principles. Introduction. Jesus modeled the ultimate example of servant leadership when he washed his disciples' feet. In John 13:14-15, he said, "If I then, your Lord and teacher, have washed your feet, you also ought to wash one another's feet. For I have given you an example, that you should do just as I have done to you." This passage reveals a revolutionary leadership mindset that transforms how we build and lead teams. 3 principles of servant leadership. 1. Lead by serving first. The principle, Philippians 2:3-4, instructs us to do nothing from selfish ambition or conceit, but in humility count others more significant than yourselves. The thought process. Servant leaders ask, "How can I help my team succeed?" rather than, "How can my team make me look good?" They prioritize the growth and development of their people above their own advancement. Application for business. Start team meetings by asking what obstacles you can remove for your team members. Invest time in understanding each person's career goals and actively mentor them. When your team wins, shine the spotlight on them. When challenges arise, step forward and take responsibility. 2. Empower rather than control. The principle. In Mark 10:42-45, Jesus contrasts worldly leadership with kingdom leadership, saying those who would be great must become servants, and whoever would be first must be slave of all. The thought process. Servant leaders trust their teams with authority and responsibility. They understand that control creates dependence, but empowerment creates capability. They equip people with tools, training, and decision-making power. Application for business. Delegate meaningful work, not just tasks. Give team members ownership of projects from start to finish. Create an environment where calculated risks are encouraged and failures become learning opportunities. Ask, "What do you think we should do?" before giving directives. This builds confidence and develops future leaders. 3. Build relationships, not just results. The principle. Jesus invested deeply in his disciples, knowing them personally and caring for their whole lives. In John 15:15, he calls them friends, not servants, because he shared everything with them. The thought process. Servant leaders recognize that people aren't resources to be used, but individuals to be valued. They understand that trust and loyalty flow from genuine care, and sustainable results come from healthy relationships. Application for business. Learn about your team members' lives beyond work, their families, dreams, and challenges. Celebrate personal milestones alongside professional achievements. Create psychological safety where people can be authentic. When performance issues arise, address them with curiosity and compassion, not just correction. Strong relationships create the foundation for honest feedback, creative collaboration, and resilience during difficult seasons. Conclusion. Servant leadership isn't weakness, it's the most powerful form of leadership because it multiplies itself. When you serve your team, you model a culture of service. When you empower others, you expand your impact exponentially. When you build genuine relationships, you create loyalty that transcends job descriptions. As Proverbs 27:17 reminds us, iron sharpens iron, and one man sharpens another. Lead by serving, empower generously, and invest relationally. Your team won't just perform, they'll flourish. To learn more about life principles and spiritual development, I recommend the book Unchained Potential to Rise Above by Dr. Arlen K. Param. The book is available on all major platforms.